Okay, folks, see, this is the oxtail again, the final leg of the oxtail, cooking on the fire, the real fire, the way we do it in Jamaica, in the country. Look at that oxtail, look at that, look at that. When you taste this oxtail, you're gonna lick your finger and bite off your finger, man. Okay, you see how it on the smoke now, you see the smoke coming up around the oxtail? That smoke flavor get inside of the oxtail and give it a flavor where you don't even get a tone. When you're there at town in Jamaica and you get oxtail and you get this. You only get this kind of oxtail in a country, a countryside. You see it? When my grandparents them. And look how them cut the oxtail. Them cut the oxtail from all the way up in the spine. They not cut it from the tail, you know. You get the complete oxtail, people. So this is how I do it here on Mosha'S Reggae Lounge. I give you the authentic Jamaican food. Right? You see how I cook it? You see how I cook the oxtail? Alright. Which part you can go in our world? Go see them a cook oxtail like Jamaican food like this. Only in the countryside. You understand? So this is the last leg of it. It's been cooking for a couple of hours. So I want to let them simmer down a little more. And then I'll tell you the history of that another day. Alright? One love. Peace out.